Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how one can manage taxes under Invoictra. So let us start. Go to taxes. Under taxes we have two tabs, one for GST, another for TD. So in Invoictra you can manage these two taxes. So let us go for GST first. If you click on GST, so all the GST entries that has been done in the system will come, right? So here is an option. By using invoice ID, you can search the particular GST entry. By typing the company name, email ID, name of the client, you can search the GST entry. You can search the GST entry by using date option. If you can simply type the date, then this is the currency in which you have given the invoice. This is the all option, all will come. This is based on invoice value. So particularly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options we have given in the system through which you can search the particular GST entry. Now how the GST entries are happening in the system. So if you are creating a GST invoice, automatically this entry will happen. As soon as the invoice is created, a GST entry will happen into the system, right? So this is the option to export this. You can select depending upon the filter criteria that you can put it from here, and then you can export that particular GST entries into your Excel file. I'll show you how does it look. Just go to export. You can print this, you can export in Excel form, you can export in CSV form, or you can do in a PDF form. We'll go for an Excel sheet. See, this is the how when you export GST, how it will look. First option is the GST number, the receiver name, the invoice number, then the invoice date on which the invoice is issued, what is the invoice value, what is the place of supply, what is the reverse charge, what is the invoice, whether it's a regular invoice or it's a pro forma invoice, right? What is the rate at which the particular GST service has been given, what is the total taxable value, what is the total tax, and what is the total amount. So this total tax, because we know that every month we need to file GST returns, right? So what you can do from Invoictra system for a particular month, let us suppose I want to file return for the month of July. I can select 30 days from here, export the GST entries, give to your CA, and he will do the filing. So you can manage all your GST from this particular system. Now under taxes we have another option, how to manage TDS. Click on this TDS. From here you can create your TDS. This is the date. This is the name of the supplier. We have already added supplier in the system, so all those suppliers are coming. Let us suppose I need to give commission to Shami Singh. This is the PAN number of Shami Singh. This is the invoice date. Let us suppose we have received the invoice on 19th, and the invoice number is IZUZ1234 is the invoice number that has been generated by the supplier. Let us suppose I am saying 10%. The TDS amount is 500. Last option is the interest. If you are paying the TDS after due date, then you can put interest here. I am putting 0 now, and then you can simply save TDS. So TDS entry will happen. You again go to taxes, again go to TDS. So this entry will be made here, right? What is supplier name, what is supplier PAN, what is the base amount, what is the TDS, what is the invoice date, what is the payment date, right? This is the action. If you want to edit this, you can do, right? You save this TDS, continue. Go to taxes, TDS. You can export this TDS. So once you export this TDS, month-wise when you are filing TDS, you can give this report to your CA. So hope you have understood how one can manage taxes from Invoictra. Thank you.